Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are rocking. In this video we are providing solution for Google Drive Quota Exceeded error. We get this error especially when too many people try to download the same file from Google Drive. Sometimes, you can just wait for few minutes and try again, you may be able to download the file. But if you get this issue continuously, we have a solution for you. Let's get into the action. We are making two simple changes in the URL. Your URL may look like one of the below. Just follow these two steps to get revised URL. Step 1. Remove export equals download along with and symbol. Step 2. Replace UC with open. After these changes your revised URL will look like below. Let's go ahead and change it in our browser. Remove export equals download along with and symbol. Replace UC with open. Now just hit enter. Wait for few minutes so that add to my drive icon appears. Once you see this icon, click on it. This file is now added to my drive. Now go ahead and open drive.google.com. You could switch to list view. Locate the file. Right click on the file and select make a copy. Once you do it, you can see the copy of the file with your name as owner. Now right click on the copy file and select download. File has been downloaded successfully. Henceforth, Google Drive Quota Exceeded error cannot stop us. Thanks for watching.